In this video, we will learn how to add a new column to an existing Apex collection. First, I add a new page item and name it phone. Then I go to the dynamic action. Inside add_member, I add phone into P_C003. I also add phone in the items to submit section. After that, I add C003 as a column in the classic report. Then I save and run the page. The new item has been added. Now, to test it, I will add some data. Now we can see that the phone number is also added.